SNC-Lavalin's push to get out of criminal charges suffered a fresh setback. The engineering giant will not get a formal judicial review, meaning the corruption case against the company will go ahead. The federal court said in its ruling today the review had no reasonable prospect of success because this kind of decision clearly falls within prosecutorial discretion. The company says it's disappointed and will vigorously defend itself against the charges in court.
It is not up to the Prime Minister of Canada to intervene in a criminal court case and start deciding what prosecutors do and do not offer.
The opposition is urging the government to back off, but the Prime Minister won't rule out a deferred prosecution agreement. A DPA would allow SNC-Lavalin to pay a fine rather than go to court.
In the specific case of a DPA and Lavalin, as I've said from the very beginning, that is a decision for the Attorney General to make alone.
Even in Iqaluit, Justin Trudeau was unable to escape repeated questions on the story that has upended his inner circle with the resignation of 2 cabinet ministers. Trudeau says he's not yet made any decisions on whether Jody Wilson-Raybould or Jane Philpott should remain members of the Liberal caucus.
But I will remind people that we are a party that values diversity of opinions and perspectives.
Could you explain why it was untenable to stay in cabinet?
Good morning, everyone.
Philpott showed no desire to address her political future, at least for now.
And if you've come here today hoping that you're going to hear me directly comment on the political events of the past weeks, you're going to be disappointed. I'm here today because it's International Women's Day.
She dismissed reporter questions, a move that will drag this story out even further.
I'll look forward to meeting with you when we get back to session.
Parliament is in the middle of a break, but the SNC-Lavalin affair returns to Ottawa next week. The Justice Committee meets on Wednesday to discuss bringing Jody Wilson-Raybould back for more testimony. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Ottawa.